Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a round-robin event in Schedule. Want to ensure fair and automatic meeting distribution among your team? With round-robin scheduling, every client always connects with the next available team member. No manual intervention needed. Imagine you're running a tech support company with multiple agents available. A client contacts you through your website to book a support session. Instead of manually choosing an agent, the system uses a round-robin method to automatically schedule the session with the least worked-out agent, ensuring a seamless and efficient booking process. This process gets the client their service and also ensures that the workload is divided fairly among the team members. Now let's see how to set it up step by step. Go to the Event Types section, click New, and select Team Event from the drop-down. This opens the event creation interface designed specifically for team events. Now, give your event a clear and meaningful title. Briefly explain the purpose of the meeting. Choose how long each session will last, for example, 15 minutes. Select Round Robin from the drop-down. In the Round Robin hosts, you can add members who can attend this type of event by selecting them from the list. You can also assign priorities to team members to make sure that meetings are distributed in a way that balances their workloads. If some team members are more experienced, you may want them to handle more cases. By assigning them a higher priority, the system will ensure they are booked first or more often. On the other hand, less experienced members could be assigned a lower priority, ensuring they get scheduled only when the higher priority team members are unavailable. You can also turn on the option to automatically add all members to ensure that your event is auto-updated to keep up with the updates in your team. This includes current team members as well as any future members you want to add later. You can enforce various booking rules such as buffer time before and after meetings, minimum notice required before booking, limit on the number of times this event can be booked, and more. We have a separate video covering booking limits in detail, so be sure to check that out. Let attendees invite others if needed. Collect essential details like name and phone number. You can also add custom questions if you want to collect more details from the person booking. In the same section, scroll down to Brand Settings. Here you can upload a social media image for your booking page, enable redirect on booking, and add custom brand colors to match your brand style. These options help personalize the booking experience and make your page look more consistent. Next, open the Notifications section. This is where you control when and how notifications are sent for this personal event. You can configure notifications for new meeting bookings, cancellations, before the meeting starts, rescheduling, and after the meeting ends. Each notification block can be expanded and customized based on your workflow. You can also create a notification template from here. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save to generate a unique booking link for your event. Share it with your clients and you're all set. That's it. Round Robin in Schedule ensures fair, automatic, and hassle-free team bookings. Try it today and streamline your bookings effortlessly.